Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Truke Fit Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the device looks like, and you've got a very minimalist marketing. So you can just see the model name and the product and nothing else. On the left-hand side, you can see a couple of features being highlighted. The first being that it offers up to 24 hours of music playback. Then you've got an instant pairing feature. The True Wireless Earbuds has deep bass. And lastly, it's compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android devices. On the other side, you just have a slogan. On the bottom, you've got the importers and the manufacturer's contact information. The top side has nothing. On the back side, you can see some of the previous features that you've seen, along with a couple of new ones. First, these happens to be True Wireless Earbuds. Then you've got the instant pairing feature, which we've already seen. They claim this has a secure fit, but that will vary from person to person. They claim that it has deep bass and that the charging case has about 500 milliamp hours of battery capacity. This device uses Bluetooth version 5.0. Charging time is 90 minutes, for which you'll get a playback of 4.5 hours. Each of the earbuds has 40 milliamp hour battery in it, and the case, as we saw previously, has 500 milliamp hours. You can connect to these devices from up to 10 meters away, and the standby time is 72 hours. Call duration supported while you're using the True Wireless earphones is 4 hours, and it uses a USB Type-C charging interface. The entire thing weighs about 48 grams. So that's it for the stuff on the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So on the inside, you have a user manual. You should always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. And there's a little warranty card along with an appeal for you to rate the device should you like it. Then there's the charging cable, which uses a USB Type-C interface on one end, a USB Type-A interface on the other. Then you've got the charging case with the Truke Fit Pro earbuds inside them. You can pull these out to activate them. There's a little loop on one of the sides for you to attach the carrying cable or lanyard. This is quite convenient. And on the back side, you have the USB Type-C interface along with a little opening for you to reset the device. In case you're wondering, the charging cable is about 15 to 20 centimeters long. So that's it for the unboxing of the Truke Fit Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.